Hello!
Hi guys!
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Angel.
And we're the Makers HQ. Alright, so, oh my god, we haven't been here in a very long time.
We're back. We're back.
We've returned and we're very happy to be back. We actually want to thank everybody who has been following us and watching our videos and just, leaving us messages this whole time that we took a break. First of all, we had a lot of things happen in our own lives, and also we were looking at the channel like, what are we going to do with this channel? But in the meantime, we reached 1,000 people.
We surpassed the 1,000
Oh my god, I don't even know. I made Ankara celebrate like 20 times.
So happy, so happy. Thank you so much.
So thankful. Thank you. And I don't even know what to say. I'm very emotional about this whole situation because for us, 1,000 is like, it was always a goal. We want to do this and we want to work on YouTube, full time eventually, but we didn't really know when it was going to happen because we've never done anything in YouTube where it would, even reach close to 1,000.
Nothing. And we didn't want to continue with a channel like this, like not having great ideas.
Exactly.
Even an idea. Like we were stuck.
We were very stuck.
And so we took a break. And also it's not only the ideas, it's life. Work and stuff that we have to do. And so now we're back.
We're back. So we thank you. We thank you for following us. We thank you for the messages. We thank you for everybody who's just been really liking the content that we posted. And now we'll be posting some new content starting with this video today. All right. So today's video is going to be all about something super simple, but that we've had in mind for a minute, printing on paper. And we're going to do sublimation on maps specifically. So we're both artists, all right? Angel does acrylic painting as well as photography, and I do illustrations with markers as well as paintings. And also I took this year to learn ceramics. So I'm a self-taught ceramicist. I know. So we're going to be sublimating like the most awesome stuff. But just to say that, so we're both artists and we really wanted to start to show you how you can use your own work if you're an artist, if you're creative, to put onto merch, onto products, onto things that are cool. So we thought about, for this video, we thought, okay, so we like paper, but it's a little bit harder to sublimate on paper just because it's most of the time with cotton, or not cotton, it's like wood pulp, or, like it's not something that's what's the word, artificial, right?
Yeah.
But we've done videos in the past for packaging, for instance, where you see that it can be sublimated on. And in this case, what we discovered is if we sublimate on maps that are with a shiny coat, so some type of like...
I don't know what the shiny coat is.
No, we have no idea.
We don't know what the
composition is. And if one of you knows, please let us know in the comments so that we can use that term in the future.
Exactly. But you can feel it. Once you get the map, you see it has to have a shiny coat.
Exactly.
It's soft. It's not. It doesn't feel like paper.
So you could see it here. This feels more like poster paper. It doesn't feel like matte paper. It feels very, first of all, it's not very thick. Or even
photo paper.
Yeah, photo paper could be very good because it has that glossy finish to it. And that's what we're looking for. So we're using a map of North and South America, or the Americas.
Continents.
Exactly. And just to show you the contrast, so this is actually matte paper, okay? And this is how the piece came out. So it came out very cool if you're into like a more vintage look, but it was not...
Yeah, compared to the glossy one, it's not the same. It's actually the opposite, but it still looks cool. It still looks like, you can say a piece of art. Yeah,
and what's cool is you can even see on the other side what it's supposed to look like.
Exactly, and depending on the design that you make. I think if you do something graphic, something more vectorized, it's gonna look cooler. On this paper. The other one I think can take any kind of design. Yeah, colorful, vectorized, or even a picture. I think it's better because of the glossy paper. But this one, I think if you go towards more black designs, more graphic designs, even writings, I think it's cool. It will be nice. But still, it's not, the paper is not the best for sublimation, but it takes the design.
It takes the design. Okay, so if you do choose to do this, We're going to put the seconds that we did use. It was 150 seconds, 200 Celsius, because we're not going to sublimate on this. But if you choose to do so, that's the information that we have for that.
Exactly.
And we're going to show you now the 2 designs that we're going to do.
We're going to do 4, actually.
Yeah, we're going to do 4.
But these are the samples.
So we decided to do it as if you were doing a collection, or if you were doing pieces that you would sell, or, you know, something that's more than one. So Ankhe's work, which is in photography, we did black and white pieces, very high contrast,
yes,
to make sure that we'll be able to get the blacks and the contrast of
because the map is very colorful.
Exactly.
So what will happen is that all the colors and the letters and everything are gonna, you know, be seen through the building. So you have to enhance all the blackness of the piece.
Okay, so that's that. And for my work, I chose this one I've done in the past. It's from the Peonies collection. And I chose this one and another one that's similar because we wanted to see, in one of the tests that we did, we saw the words come through the face and we thought it was pretty. We wanted to see if it would happen again. I don't have any idea how it's going to end up because there's a lot of lightness to it. So we did 2, one that has more like contrast to the colors and one that's softer like this. And so we're gonna see, right?
So we're gonna go to the machine now.
We're gonna test it.
Okay. So we have the ones with the designs on it already.
So let's start with the pictures.
Yeah, this is gonna be the black and white photo, one of the black and white photos. I put it right in the middle, and then here we're gonna put it like this, tiki, and wait,
yeah,
paper. So this is gonna be done with at what was the temperature that we said?
Oh,
it was gonna be
195
Celsius
and 180 seconds.
Yes, in 180 seconds. The
195
Celsius,
is approximately 200
almost
Fahrenheit.
400.
400
almost
Fahrenheit.
4. Less, but almost 4.
I think it's 396.
Yeah.
And at 180 seconds, which is basically 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Yeah. So we'll see you in 3 minutes. Okay, we're back. 2, 1. Here we go. Let's see. Okay.
Oh, it's so hot.
See,
we
put the tape because that happens. It moves. Oh wow! Look at this, guys. It looks so
nice. This is fantastic.
This is so awesome.
Yeah, this is fantastic.
Look, can you see it here? Wow, this is so cool. Now that I see it, wait, let me show you. Look at this. This is awesome. It's so cool. And even if you add a little bit of red on the side, like an outline, a red outline, a blue outline, and some other colors on yellow, it looks like super pop art.
Yeah,
like
it's really beautiful. Cool. You can even see the writing.
The writing on the wall. There was a writing on the wall.
The writing on the wall.
I know. And then you can see the parts of the map inside the buildings. Wow.
This is really awesome. Cool.
Let's do the lady.
All right, so next we're gonna do the lady. And is the lady here? Yes.
Lady.
Here you are.
Yeah. So 3 minutes is perfect. It's the right amount of time, I think. You have to try and test your own map and your own designs. But for us, that's what works. And we're gonna stick to it. So here we go, the next one, and we will show you the results in 3 minutes.
Okay,
we're back with the next design. The first one was a success. Let's see the next one. This one is also gonna be a success.
I hope so.
Yes, it will be. Why not? Oh, sorry. So here, see, always tape your stuff. Wow, so pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Wow.
See, I would have made it darker in Photoshop to make it like, well, I don't do work in Photoshop, but like made the picture darker.
Look at this.
But it looks really beautiful so that you could see more purple, I would think.
But I like that she faded into the map.
She did fade.
She faded.
All you see is her head.
I know.
It's really so cool. Actually.
It's so cool.
Yeah, it's super pretty. Let's put it closer.
Yeah. It's so nice. Cool. See how you see all the writing of the map, see her through her body, through her face. This is amazing.
Yeah, I really like
it. I love this.
Put it again. Let's see. Put it close, close, close. Yes.
That's super really cool. And what we saw from the other design is it has a lot of black, so which is fine, but also we realized that we need to leave some like this, you know, some spaces that are like white, so the map can show through the design. Because if everything is black, it's gonna cover the map. And that's not the idea. And
in this case, I think what's super cool, which I saw in this one, but I couldn't verbalize until I saw this one again, is if you're intentional. We weren't intentional with this. We just decided to put the drawing in the middle. We measured. But if you are intentional, you could make the map work for you in the sense of, like, for instance, if you want to highlight a country, for instance, because I see here Brazil is highlighted, Argentina, where we're from, is big, so it's visible. You can't really see the United States in this case, but maybe if we had wanted the United States to be seen, we would have moved up the girl. You can see my country of origin, Canada. So that for me is cool. But I mean, I think it's very interesting to be able to maybe do a design also around a country that you want to highlight.
I mean, and you also get maps from everywhere.
Exactly,
exactly. You have different maps for each design if you wanted to.
Exactly.
There are maps made
so
for
maybe,
every country.
But just to say, maybe when you get the map, like you are able to design your
designs based on your map.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I'm saying. All right, so we're gonna print the rest of
the other two.
We're gonna print them, and then we're going to show you the final results, okay? All right. Okay, so this is the result. It's looking so lovely. So as you can see, we have the two girls, which are originally done by marker drawing, and there's a little bit of a difference just because these, her skin was a little darker, and so I feel like you can see a little bit more definition of the skin and of the strokes over here. This one is done with a little bit of a different technique, so the lines are a little lighter, but everything can still be seen, and the black is so beautiful. I really love it. Yeah, I know. I love it. I absolutely love it. You could see the details. You can see her fingers.
I know. Fingers.
Insane.
Her body is made out of the continent, basically.
Yeah. I love it. I love it. I even love the way that the leaves are looking. Like, I love this one. Cool. So then we have Angel's photos, which we were talking about, him and I here.
Yeah. See the building? This is good sample because, example, look at this one. This one is darker and you can barely see the map through it. But this one, this building is lighter and you see the map, which is that's the idea, to see the maps a little bit, right? Not lose the image, but at least look, you can see the map through it.
So we said that next time you would do less black or something.
Less black and a little bit of color. Maybe the trucks, I would have made them like yellow, some red in it, you know, to make it pop. So it doesn't look like or maybe it's the way I see it. I think it needs.
But I mean, regardless, it looks amazing.
It looks
That's the
super
thing.
nice.
As a set, it looks great, and I love the way all of them turned out. Like, I don't even have any complaint. I'm very happy. I would be very happy with this as a way to represent my work, as a way to represent Angel's work, and I think it's amazing. And I don't have anything else to say. I'm very happy with this one. Yeah, everything looks great. Everything looks great. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you liked the work and if you liked the tutorial, please
like and subscribe.
And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching as always. Have a good one.